My wife Emily signed up for this, and I was like, man, this is just another course about how to save money, uh, like Dave Ramsey or people similar to him. And I've gone through the first two sections and getting ready to go into the different avenues to make my money grow once I've started making myself a little bit richer every day. And it's not like that at all. I love the psychology aspect, and I appreciate the hours that you spent on the physiology and psychology of why we spend money rather than save it, and the ways to overcome it. Yeah, it's a great course. I definitely recommend buy it. There's so much more coming. I'm really looking forward to the different avenues and the diversification of how to use the concepts in the course. My wife and I are starting to set up bank accounts already, and we're already growing them and making ourselves richer. So thanks for the course, and I highly recommend anybody who is interested purchase the course and go through it. It's a great course, well worth the time, and definitely well worth the money.